Lead-up sublimation slate have over 30 specifications, include various popular sizes and shapes like rectangle, round, heart, and more. We offer 3 versions: sublimation slate, UV print slate, sublimation and laser print slate. Can be displayed on a desk, hung on the wall, or fitted with clock accessories to function as a clock. Made from high-quality natural stone for durability. Surface with even sublimation coating, free from bubbles, dust, or scratches. Because the edge has been polished, the printhead size is 0.5 to 1 cm smaller than the actual size. Weight per piece about 400 grams. Thickness about 8 mm. Popular sizes. Our factory is the first slate factory in China to integrate processing and spraying. First, the slate surface need to be polished. Make sure it's flat and smooth, prevent breakage during printing. Next, the edges are processed by a cutting-edge machine to achieve a unique shape, then carefully smoothed to eliminate any sharpness and prevent the risk of hand injury. The workers manually applied white primer, ensure full coverage. Finally, the slate goes through an automatic spraying process to ensure a uniform coating. After baking at the appropriate temperature, the product can achieve a durable coating. Daily output of 5,000 pieces. Custom sizes and shapes are available to suit any design. Very simple printing process need to mirror images. Clear print effect with vibrant colors. Colors remain vibrant for over 10 years indoors. Design stays intact even when scratched or peeled with tape. Each slate comes with 2 stands, individually packaged in bubble wrap and a gift box. Prevents scratches and breakage during transportation. Perfect for home decor, holiday gifts, and personalized souvenirs. Contact us now to explore more customization options and start your order.